Kodiak Krown is a high-performance rechargeable tactical flashlight available in two different models, 10K and 20K. The Krown combines rugged durability, powerful output, and versatile features to deliver dependable performance whenever you need it most. Let's take a closer look. Inside the package, you'll find a Kodiak Krown tactical flashlight along with a USB-C charging cable. Using the included charging cable, the Krown's lithium-ion battery can be fully recharged through the USB-C charging port under the rubber cover. The illuminated charging indicator keeps you informed of the battery's charging progress, while the integrated USB output also allows the flashlight to function as a power bank for charging compatible devices when you're away from an outlet using your device's charging cable. Please note, charging smart devices reduces overall flashlight runtime. Built from aerospace-grade aluminum, the Kodiak Krowns feature a tactical-grade design, is impact-resistant up to 1 meter, and carries an IPX4 weather-resistant rating to help protect against rain and splashing water. The adjustable focusing beam allows you to quickly transition from a wide flood beam to a concentrated spot beam for maximum distance. Operation of the Kodiak Krowns is simple yet secure. Double-press the power button to unlock the flashlight. The light turns on in the high brightness mode. From here, you can select your desired brightness mode or off. Once off, the power button blinks twice to confirm it's locked. The three standard brightness modes provide an excellent balance between output and runtime, as demonstrated here. To activate turbo mode, press and hold the power button while any light mode is active. The 10K model delivers 10,000 lumens with a beam distance of up to 200 meters, while the 20K model doubles the maximum output to a 20,000 lumens with a beam distance reaching up to 219 meters. Pressing the power button while turbo mode is active will immediately turn the flashlight off. And to protect both the flashlight and battery from excessive heat buildup, turbo mode automatically steps down to high after approximately 30 seconds of operation.